It's a heat wave around here. It's actually 17 degrees. The other day it was 14. I might need my shorts for this one. Today we're coming at you with a powerhouse of a 200-gram cake. And when I say that, I'm not kidding. This thing is loaded. Number one, look at these tubes. They're almost filled to the top, so you know the shell is about half the size of the tube. You can also see bore size is pretty nice. It's about 1/2 inch. As well as the walls of the tubes, they're super thick. They need to be for a cake like this. There was actually no name on this cake, but right down there you can see there's a little performance. That's about all it says. We're gonna go shoot this off. I have shot this before and it was a beast, so we gotta try it again. Here she goes. Wow. And she went. I would call that the queen of the sky.